Welcome to our channel. If you're concerned about privacy and want to clear your browsing history on the TSA PreCheck website, follow these simple instructions. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the TSA PreCheck enrollment website. Log in with your trusted traveler number and password. Step 2. Note that the TSA PreCheck website itself does not store browsing history, but your web browser does. To clear your browser history, click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of your browser. Step 3. Select History from the drop-down menu, then click on Clear Browsing Data or Clear Recent History. Step 4. Choose the time range for which you want to delete history, such as last hour, last 24 hours, or all time. Step 5. Make sure to check the boxes for browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files to thoroughly clear your data. Step 6. Click Clear Data or Clear Now to complete the process. Step 7. If you're using a shared computer, consider using your browser's incognito or private browsing mode when accessing the TSA PreCheck site to avoid leaving any traces. Step 8. For added security, log out of your TSA PreCheck account after every session. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.